Hello ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, are you ready? Are you ready for another episode of One Man and His Boat? I certainly am. Lindsay B certainly is. So come on, let's get to it. So everyone, continuing on from our last video, we actually put on 4 layers of tissue onto the outside of the boat. Now for those of you that are new to our channel, what we're doing here is putting an extra protective skin on the vessel because this is where all the creels will be coming up, i.e. lobster pots, and this is to help protect the actual main hull itself. So guys, some lobster boats actually have stainless steel on the side of their vessels. Now that was a thought for us when we first thought about the idea of the Lindsay B, and it was all great until the stainless steel arrived. Now it's only 2mm thick, however, what a weight. So we had to rethink our plan. That is why we had to stick extra layers of glass on. She needs some sort of protection. You can do it with rubber and stuff like that, however, it take away the aesthetics of the boat, and that was just not even a comprehension. So working every day, guys, this side of the vessel takes a lot of abuse, so that's why we put the extra layers of skin on. So that is why I've stuck with the glass, and I tell you what, it's looking not too bad, and we'll find out if it gets any better once we stick the gel coat on top. So come on guys, enough blethering Barry, let's get on with the work. Right guys, as you can see, that was like 90% prep work and then 10% doing the job. So not too shabby. I have been at it all day, but there we are. So what do you think? Turned out very well. I'm going to give it another 2 coats off camera because you've seen everybody paint. I mean, there's no point in getting excited about it. If you liked this video, guys, please do the usual. Give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already, and tick that notification bell, and YouTube will let you know exactly when we've got our next video out, which who knows when that'll be. Right, my friends, all the very best now. Have a good one.